Hey there, Cash App enthusiasts. Have you ever tried switching up your Cashtag only to hit a roadblock? It's frustrating when Cash App won't let you change your Cashtag. But don't worry, because today we're diving into how to fix Cash App won't let me change my Cashtag. Let's explore some simple solutions to help you customize your identity on this popular platform. Step 1. Check Cashtag availability. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that your desired Cashtag is available. Cash App allows unique identifiers, so your preferred Cashtag might be taken already. Start by entering a few variations of your desired Cashtag. Ensure they're at least one letter and have no more than 20 characters, including the $sign. If you find the perfect fit that is available, you're halfway there. Step 2. Update your app. Sometimes technical glitches happen because of outdated software. Make sure that you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your device. Head over to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and check for any updates. An updated app may resolve underlying software issues that could be preventing you from changing your Cashtag. Step 3. Follow the Cashtag change limitations. Cash App permits you to change your Cashtag, but there are some restrictions. You can change your Cashtag twice, so if you've already changed it twice, the app will not let you make additional changes. Consider carefully choosing your new Cashtag to avoid hitting this limit. If you're unsure about your Cashtag history, contacting Cash App support can provide clarification on your change count. Step 4. Clear app cache. Another potential fix is clearing your app cache. If you're on an Android device, navigate to your phone's settings, select Apps, find Cash App, and choose Storage followed by Clear Cache. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and then reinstall the app to clear the cache. This process can help resolve performance issues, especially if your app's cache data has become corrupted. Step 5. Reach out to Cash App support. When all else fails, reaching out to Cash App support might be your best option. Open the app, tap on your profile icon, scroll down to the Cash Support section, and select Something Else. Follow the prompts to submit your issue regarding the Cashtag change. The support team is there to help troubleshoot further and may offer additional guidance specific to your account. Changing your Cashtag on Cash App should be a straightforward task. However, certain unexpected hurdles can arise, making it seem impossible. Keeping your app up to date, adhering to Cash App limitations, clearing your app cache, and reaching out to support if necessary, you're likely to find a resolution in no time. Remember, having a unique and personalized Cashtag is essential for your Cash App identity, so take the time to make it count. Now you're equipped with how to fix Cash App won't let me change my Cashtag. Enjoy customizing your Cashtag and happy Cash Apping.